Top 7 Best Vegetables for Diabetes. If you have diabetes, you may often wonder what foods are okay to eat. Even small choices like radishes on your salad might trigger the question, are radishes good for my blood sugar? Adequate fruit and vegetable intake is a cornerstone of a healthy diet and can even help you live longer. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, recommends 2 to 4 cups of vegetables per day. And if you're managing diabetes, getting plenty of nutrient-rich, high-fiber vegetables can help with both blood sugar management and long-term diabetes management. 1. Carrots. The fiber in vegetables helps us feel full and satisfied. Carrots is an especially filling, high-fiber vegetable. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, which helps with immunity and healthy eyes. 2. Broccoli. In addition to helping with satiety, the fiber in vegetables acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotic fibers are fermented by our gut bacteria, helping them to thrive. In some cases, this helps with glucose and cholesterol metabolism. Broccoli is a great choice for this, as are other cruciferous vegetables. 3. Zucchini. According to a 2021 study in food chemistry, molecular sciences, carotenoids, including the lutein and zeaxanthin that zucchini contains, support heart health and may protect against certain cancers. Zucchini is also low in calories and high in fiber. 4. Cabbage. It, too, is high in vitamin C, which may positively affect heart health, according to a 2021 review published in Nutrients. It's also got tons of fiber to slow the digestion of whatever you're eating alongside it, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. 5. Spinach. Like all leafy green vegetables, spinach is nutrient-dense and very low in calories. It's also rich in iron, which is key to healthy blood flow. Spinach contains a compound called alpha-lipoic acid, which can help alleviate symptoms associated with polyneuropathy for individuals with diabetes, according to a 2023 review published in Nutrients. You can add spinach to soups or stews, throw a handful into your eggs in the morning, or sauté it for a simple side dish. 6. Tomatoes. Stuffing extra tomatoes into a whole grain sandwich. In addition to adding color to your sandwich and dishes, tomatoes are high in lycopene. Lycopene is a compound that has been linked to a host of health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers, as well as aiding blood glucose levels, according to a 2020 review in the journal Antioxidants. Tomatoes are tasty as is, or try roasting them to bring out their natural sweetness. 7. Green beans. Whether it's the holiday season or another time of year, a green bean casserole can be a warm, comforting addition to dinner. Green beans contain vitamin C and vitamin A and are high in fiber. Adding chopped green beans to pasta sauce for an extra veggie hit. If you prefer canned green beans, opt for a low-sodium option if possible.